There's a stupid moth in my computer. There's a cocoon right there, or whatever the hell you call it. Jeez. Come on, move, stupid. Or is that a dead one? Camcorder's all dusty now. This whole room. I mean, I guess you could call the garage a room. Damn, it's hazy. Blew this thing out like 3 months ago. Okay, video over. It's Thursday and Friday. There's going to be an estate sale video. Taking it with my phone instead of this camcorder because, you know, there's more of a anonymity kind of thing, I guess. The other one's a radio. I mean, the first one's radio if the price is right, and the second one's a TV if the price is right. And the house for the TV has a console stereo that looks brand new. We're going to check that out too.